This pontoon boat, actually it's a tri-toon boat. You see the center pontoon. This is a 2022 Harris 210 Sunliner. It's powered by a Mercury 4-stroke outboard, the 115 horsepower 115 Pro. Excellent performance on this boat. This is a boat we sold new at MarineMax on Lake Hopatcong, and for the 2 winters of its life, it was winter storage here, was used on a local freshwater lake all the time. Has just under 40 hours. I think it shows, I'll take a picture, it's 39.7 hours on the hour meter. Excellent condition. Just came out of winter storage, and now the owner has asked us to sell it on his behalf. So the 2022 210 Sunliner with the 115 Pro and 40 hours on it is now available for sale at MarineMax on Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey. My name is Larry. My cell phone is 732-261-1769. Thank you for watching and listening.